Hostgator hosting pros and cons. The web hosting provider you choose to use always has its strengths and weaknesses. Therefore, it is important to evaluate the priorities and ensure that the solution you use does not sacrifice those priorities. Advantage. Let's take a look at the benefits of using a web hosting plan. Continuous uptime and service. They promise a 99.9% uptime guarantee. This is good news for website owners. However, it is important to remember that this is standard and less than that is generally not allowed. Page speed is also important, but the website must be up and available to visitors. Monitor the uptime of test sites hosted by Hostgator to see how often outages occur. Slow loading sites are unlikely to be the top in a particular niche. A 20-second delay in loading Google's research mobile page can affect conversion rates by up to 10%. The screenshot above shows only the last 30 days. You can see past uptime data and server response times on this uptime monitor page. In addition, Hostgator is ready to reward its customers. If your server does not meet the 99.9% uptime guarantee, you can pay a month's worth of credit. Hostgator also offers excellent customer support via phone, live chat, and email ticket system. With the easy-to-use support portal, you can reach out to customer service and web hosting experts, check out community forums, knowledge bases, access video tutorials, and solve problems yourself. Free site forwarding and one-click installation. Again, this service is generally standard for most web hosting companies. However, Hostgator is very easy to transfer from one host to another. Sign up for the plan you want to use and let Hostgator do the rest. If you are new to the website and Hostgator's the new hosting solution, you can easily install your selected CMS with just a few button clicks when signing up. The quick install tool makes it easy to set up your website without worrying about technical knowledge. Almost Unlimited. Hostgator stores the most basic shared hosting packages that limit your domain to one. All Unlimited, kindness see below, is different because the plan is too cheap to start. Unlimited disk space means that you can store as much data as you need. Unlimited disk space allows you to grow your website unlimitedly while using a cheap shared hosting plan. Bandwidth is not measured. This means you can move unlimited data between host servers, site visitors, and the internet. This is especially useful for using shared plans to ensure the speed and performance of your website. It also gets an unlimited database. In other words, you can install whatever you like with WordPress. This feature is useful for customers who have a large number of customers and want to test their website changes before testing. Unlimited hosting is a myth, and at least Hostgator is transparent about resource usage limits. It provides unlimited functionality when do not use more than 25% of the server's central processing unit, CPU. Do not run more than 25 concurrent processes in cPanel. The number of concurrent MySQL connections should not exceed 25. Do not create more than 100.000 files in cPanel. Do not check more than 30 emails per hour. Don't send an email that is more than 500 per hour. However, there are no following restrictions. Bandwidth used. Created email account. Disadvantages. As in all cases, using an inexpensive web hosting solution has some drawbacks. Let's see some things they can work on and whether they influence the final decision. Limited functionality. The features provided are fairly standard, all unlimited, but in reality Hostgator. There aren't many additional features for shared hosting users. This type of hosting is unmanaged and must handle the administrative tasks required for your website. By myself. This means daily backups, doing weekly backups, core, plugin, or theme updates, if you don't choose a little more expensive WordPress hosting, and security measures at your own risk. Expensive domain. It's convenient to manage everything related to a domain, but the price of a domain name is a bit high. Even if you use a shared plan, it's a good idea to know this because you can register and update your domain with another cheap company and send DNS directly from cPanel to Hostgator. Please watch the next video for more. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like.